Thank you, YouTube. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell notification. The screen recorder with chroma key. I'm going to do tutorials on that. It's not perfect, but I'll go into all that in the details anyway. That's not what this video is about. I just wanted to, as I promised last week, I said I would do a thank you video to YouTube if they corrected the problem. As many of you who've seen the video, and I'll put in the comment, I'll pin a comment to my video where I'm visibly angry. Anyway, you'll see the image right after this here. Is what happened, and then I went on to further explain in the following image. And anyway, the problem has been fixed. What you just saw in the last two images is no longer in my system, and I'm working on things, to do things a lot better, and I plan to do a lot more tutorials, both with GIMP as well, for the still stuff that I do, as well as CyberLink Power Director 18. I have the Ultimate package. Some people have the subscription, but all those details are for separate videos. I just wanted to get this quick thank you video out to YouTube. The best part about it is they took care of the problem. I made the video last week, Sunday. It was gone within 48 hours, and that's pretty damn good. And I will call things out, good or bad, as I see them. And considering with the COVID thing, and considering how many YouTube people there, and their job is hard enough anyway. You know, I can't possibly understand how hard their job is because I've never worked there. So, but I know what customer service is like, and it's not an easy job in the world. I did that for about 8 years, and trust me, it's very difficult. So I just want to say thanks, and to take care of the problem in 48 hours. Considering that's why I said that I was going to give them 7 days. Well, they upped the game. They did better than expected, and I commend them for that. So anyway, yeah, I realize that part of my screen and stuff is a little glitchy, but I'll go into details on this. But I like the chroma key background and all that, but I'll go into separate videos on that. Also, if you like these videos, if you want to know more about tutorials on Power Director or tutorials on GIMP, please let me know what you want in the comment, anything specific. If it's within my capabilities, I will do a video on it. If not, I will, if it's about over my head, I have the resources. I know where to steer you in the right direction. So let me know what you want. I'll work on getting those videos out, and anything to help improve your videos and help everyone in general.